Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Riders Meenakshi Vedanta. Today I'm here for you to show some Pilates move for obliques. Bohote koisile belly fat komabole, especially sides khini komabole. So etu karone Pilates or moves kisman hikibole bicharisile. So I'm going to show you some Pilates basic move to reduce this area. Start koru. Aji ami korim T position, jonto Pilates of T position boli koy. Mane the knee, the ankle joint, etu apnar one line thakibo aur pelvis should face forward, mane aguai thakibo. Besi bhag etu exercise korile kokal to ghuri jay, so ami etu careful hobo lagbo je kokal jate sida hoi thake. And arms open straight, slowly bend and up, as if you are falling down. Ei jaga khini di uthi ahibo lagbo, ei muscle tor jorot uthi ahibo lagbo. Inhale down and exhale up. Inhale slowly down, exhale up. So we are going to do 15 repetitions. Inhale down, exhale up. Hathkhon jiman pare ei knee to rola durot. Aur a line dal straight. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale up. Careful thikbo etu jodi khuri na jay. Etu apnar agole face kori thakibo. Exhale up. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Jiman slow koribo, himane apnar yak feel hobo. So jaldi jaldi no koribo. Try to go slow so that you feel the obliques muscle here. Inhale down and exhale. And last thought, we'll hold here for some seconds. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, and so the next move is same position hetu first jonto asile. Now we'll go and fall to the palm. Ei palm tu je ase etu sui kene ami will come back. Same thing, we'll go to the other side, but yeah, try korok that you feel the lock here. Jodi apunar waist to move hoi ase, then you can go far. This is not the exercise. Here you have to push your pelvic forward so that you go less, but you feel the lock more. The contraction you feel more. So bend less. Come back. So we are repeating. Inhale down and exhale up center. Inhale down other side. Feel the lock and up to the center. Inhale stretch. Exhale up. Inhale bend. Exhale up. Same thing. Ami going 15 times. Same. Go slow. Very slowly. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Breathe in and up. Inhale and up. Let's do 5 more. 4 more. 3 last. 2 last. One more will hold here. Let's stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More down. Straight and hold. 5, 4. Feel the lock. 3, 2, and. Ekhini kamuri dhoribo lage. You have to feel the contraction more. Relax. Same with the other leg, okay? Ami gotekhini repeat kori with the other leg. First exercise asile the normal T position. Arms tight and long, bend and exhale up. Jun phale need to bend, he phale will lean and exhale up, return. Try to go far from the knee and exhale up. Inhale down without touching the ground, you have to come up. See, I'm hanging my hand and I'm coming back. Let's do 10 more. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale up. And careful one thing, dingy to the bend hoi na thake enake. Keep your neck neutral position normal and come up. Let's do 7 more. 6, 5. Ei muscle to jorot he uthi ahibo. 4 more. Last 3, 2, and Hold, the best part. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. I think you are feeling here. Next move আপনার কি আছিলে? Same both hands are open, palm facing up. আমি ইয়াতে palm to zoom, breathe in, come up, breathe out. Same other side but with the lock. So careful, pelvis should forward, face forward. And exhale up. Breathe in down, breathe out up. Breathe in down, breathe out up. We'll do 15 times. More to the repetitions come basic hoise, I'm giving the instructions, that is why maybe you please count your repetitions and go for 15 reps. Inhale down and exhale up. Pelvis forward, knee lock. Inhale down, exhale up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your obliques. Back come up lagibo. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Very nice feeling, you know. Inhale and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. Relax. Now I'm going the next move. My favorite. Leg same open thakibo, position same thakibo. Ami lahege ekon hat loi toledi inner thigh majedi jam, and you have to pull both the ab obliques mane pad to tight kori, hang your shoulder. See, I'm not touching the ground, and come up to the starting position. Same. See, breathe in down, hang your shoulder, breathe out up. 2 and exhale. 3, hang your shoulder, exhale up. 4, pura apna inner thigh stretch ahibo, so it will work on your inner thigh too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 2 more. 9. And up. And last one. 10. Slowly hang it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Jodi apuni yate pressure feel korise, you can take a mat or a cushion or a towel for some cushioning. Okay? Yar knee tolot thobo pare. Moi mat opor kori asu, so I'm not taking anything. Okay? Let's repeat the same thing with the other leg. Same, okay? 4, 3, 2, now. Inhale down, hang your shoulder, exhale up, straight. Inhale down, see my knee is totally locked, and exhale up. 3, down, and up. 4, down, and up. 5, down, and up. 5 more to go. Breathe in, breathe out. 4 more. Up. Last 3. Up. 2. Up. And my favorite part. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and come up. Well done. Yeah. Okay, let's do the next move. Ami korim side plank. Side plank on the palm kindu. So you have to take care that your palm and your hip joint and your ankle joint is in one line. And ekhon bhori apuni yak thoi koribo pare. Nohole ba agot thoi koribo pare. Jodi balance na pai. And the next very important thing is the elbow joint. Ami etu overlocking no koru. Korile ami yat duf pam, yat duf pam. So this should be soft. This is soft now, so I'm feeling the pain on my obliques. So how we'll do it? Hang it and lift it. Hang it. Hang means I'm then tolot goisu maximum, but I'm not touching the ground. And exhale up. Breathe in. Inhale down. Ei junto push hoy, apuni ei to kori ase, hip di push kori ase. So you are feeling it on your ei junto tolor phale ase obliques tate. your left side. Inhale down. Ow, lagise. Lagise, yes. And let's hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo. Good, jolly goise. Jolabo, feel hoise ne nai. Let's do the other side. Hatkhon soft. And one line. Same with the other hand. Inhale down, fall. Exhale, push your hip up. Inhale down, exhale, push your hip maximum up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Lahe lahe. Slowly. 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. আমি কৰিলো 10 repetitions. Just I want to show you the moves. You can go for 15 to 20 reps according to you. যদি একেবাৰে পাৰা নাই 5টা 8টা just try like that. Then go for 20. আজি আপোনালোকক just 4টা বেসিক ভেৰিয়েশন দেখাইছো অব্লিক মাসলৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে বুজি পাইছে নে নাই পশ্চাৰ বা কেনেকৈ কৰিছো আপোনালোকে প্লিজ কমেন্টত সুধিব তেতিয়া মই আৰু ভেৰিয়েশন বহুত আছে মই হেকেটা এড কৰি দিম বা নহলে বা এটো ভিডিও চোৱাৰ পিছত বাকি নেক্সট ভিডিও যদি লাগে হেতু মই দিম হেতু আপোনালোকে কন্টিনিউ কৰিব পাৰে ধেৰ ভেৰিয়েশন আছে বেছি দিব বিচাৰা নাই কাৰণ আপোনালোকে পুছাপ কনফিউজ হৈ যাব হেকাৰণে কমেন্টত প্লিজ লিখিব আৰু ভাল পাম আপোনালোকক ৰিপ্লাই দি আৰু আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে কৰিব সপ্তাহত এট লিষ্ট টুৱাইস আ উইক এটো ভেৰিয়েশন আপুনি এড কৰি দিব যিকোনো আফটাৰ finishing your workout last phale apnaloke ekhini move koribo I guarantee you will get good result at least abdor je side or a line duta to paboi pabo thik ache so thank you for watching our channel and please subscribe the channel so that you get the notification amar notification pai thakile apnaloke amar notun notun videos kita ami dim aru agole hegita apnaloke pai thakibo aru koribo workout pur regularly so stay fit stay tuned stay happy thank you for watching bye